കൺഫർമേറ്ററി ടെസ്റ്റ് ഫോർ ബ്ലഡ് സ്റ്റെയിൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് മൈക്രോസ്കോപ്പിക് ടെസ്റ്റ്. മൈക്രോസ്കോപ്പിക് റിവീൽസ് ആർ ബി സി ഇൻ മാമൽസ്. ഇൻ ആർ ബി സീസ് ആർ സർക്കുലർ, ബൈക്കോൺകേവ് ആൻഡ് നോൺ ന്യൂക്ലിയേറ്റഡ് except that of camel, oval, biconvex but non-nucleated. In fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, RBCs are oval, biconvex and nucleated. Staining of extract with Leishman stain reveals WBC, which helps to know the sex of the origin of the blood by counting the number of Davidson bodies in the polymorph. Microchemical crystal test. This test are based on the property of heme ion form characteristic colored crystals seen under microscope with a certain reagent. The first is hemochromagen crystal test or Takayama test. Takayama test. Take a small piece of suspected material on a glass slide. Add 2 to 4 drops of Takayama's reagent, sodium hydroxide 3 ml, 3 ml pyridine, 3 ml glucose and distilled water 7 ml. Cover with a cover slip. Slight warming of the slide hasten the reaction after 1 to 6 minute microscopy. The pink feathery rhomboid crystals of hemochromagen or reduced alkaline hematin arranged in clusters. The result is negative if crystals are not formed in a 30 minute. The test gives a good result even with old stains. It is delicate and more reliable. Takayama's reagent should be stored in a dark place in amber colored bottle. It will be retain efficacy for 1 to 2 months. Thank you.